We are pleased to show you the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, backup camera, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.